South Lebanon, Lebanon-based group Berlin. So this is today, 26.
So we have an Israeli drone
2024.
shut down Hezbollah in Lebanon.
So Hezbollah took down this one, the drone, Hermes 45.
I was talking before Israel need to
surface to air missiles. So this has never happened
do
before.
something about the missiles coming from
So I'll
Lebanon,
share the links. The Israeli
but
confirmed on Monday that Hezbollah had shut down.
they have still ongoing in Gaza, so they cannot leave one just
Then we
like
have a revenge
they need to
attack.
concentrate. Seems like one front, but now it's too much. They feel, and so they get yeah. So they get.
So we have the city deep inside Lebanon was bombed today. Never happened before.
So we have this situation. Israeli drone Hermes 90 or 900 is shut down today. So Israeli strikes inside Lebanon as a revenge,
Strikes target Lebanon.
starting never bombed these cities before. Only bombed in the front border between Lebanon and Israel. Now they are. This is in like the middle of the Lebanon.
Well, just like rockets.
So Hezbollah is bombing
We have a lot of rockets falling now in
northern Israel,
Galilee.
Jaliyah,
I'm just reading the news. I'll share
like
the links
20
later.
missiles. And it started when Hezbollah, I believe, it was Hezbollah shot a drone, Israeli drone, Hermes, and Israeli went mad and started bombing inside Lebanon.
Okay, so
Maybe they will bomb Beirut and southern part of Beirut. We have Hezbollah's headquarters there. Baalbek also like a second city headquarters for Hezbollah. Maybe the Israel will go mad and bomb Beirut
main cities. Maybe they will bomb Beirut and southern
to show strength
Beirut.
because they said all the attacks we blamed on Lebanon government. They don't care anymore. They maybe just bomb everything and just start marching in, trying to occupy Lebanon again. Maybe they believe it's best for them to stop the missiles. So things are heating up. That's all people.